model of this laptop is the ASUS ExpertBook P1503CVA. Is it worth it to get a laptop like this? Is it even durable enough to survive working from home? If you want something that's enterprise grade in its quality, if the AI noise cancelling technology is good enough to your liking, and if you want a military grade keyboard. That's the only time that I would say the answer would be yes. Oh no, my mouth's too far away. Ah! Are you alive? Oh, mama! Hey everyone, it's your boy Laz here, and today we're going to be doing another ASUS review for the ASUS ExpertBook P1503CVA. This is one of the best laptops for business and productivity. This laptop is trusted by IT experts and is one of the best business-grade budget laptops out there for remote work. And in this other video, which is playing on the screen right now, we did another review for an ASUS ExpertBook. The difference between that is, that's an ASUS ExpertBook that I would recommend for large-scale businesses. Let's say if you were going to order something for a bunch of employees, that's what it would be ideal for. And while this is also an ASUS ExpertBook with amazing specs and durability, this is something that I would recommend for, let's say, if you're working from home or if you're an independent user that still needs a great laptop that's military grade, budget friendly, and of course, commercial grade. So when you look at this laptop, you'll notice that it looks pretty normal, right? It looks, let's say, professional. It has a professional design and it's pretty slim and it has a lightweight build. So you're going to be able to carry this pretty easily if you're going around place to place. Or let's say you're going to be working from home at, say, at a cafe, working from home at a beach, at a resort, at one of your friends' houses. I don't know, all those wonderful places where you can work from home, you know? Okay, but seriously, one of the best things about this is, if you look over here, it does have a dedicated co-pilot key like most laptops. But another thing that's good about it is it has a two-way AI noise cancelling technology, which we're going to be checking out later anyway during our camera test and during our sound test. And this is in connection to that last laptop that I reviewed for ASUS. This one also has a dedicated fingerprint scanner right over here on the trackpad, because as you know, for business grade laptops, you're going to be holding a lot of sensitive information, so this extra security feature comes standard with them, and I'm pretty happy that it comes standard with this too for a budget. And finally, as you can see, it has 15.6 inches. So when you get this laptop, of course, it's going to come in a box with a bunch of safety features like cardboards, a bunch of stuff like that to make sure it doesn't get damaged on the way, even though it's military grade. So you're going to get the unit itself, a bunch of printed materials like the warranty and how to start guide, and a charger with 65 watts. That's a Type-C. And as you know, most phones right now are using Type-C with 65 watts, so it's actually interchangeable with this charger. You can also use it on the phone and use the phone charger for this, vice versa. So when you get this laptop and open it, you're going to notice that it has a bunch of ports here on the side. First, we're going to do the right side. So here on the right side, actually I'm pretty impressed with this. It has 5GB per second USB Type-A port, and it has a LAN port over here for your internet, not Wi-Fi, you bunch of Gen Zs. And over here, another thing that you're going to like, the Kensington Unlock security features for this military grade. And over here on the left side, you have a bunch of standard ports anyway. You have the charging port, that's a Type-C, your HDMI port, another Type-A, that's 5GB per second, another Type-C port, and your audio combo jack. Now let's go ahead and check the weight and the dimensions of this thing. The length is 36 centimeters. Now for the width or the depth, 23.2 centimeters. As for the height, it's 2.3 centimeters. And it's about 1.6 kilos in weight. So yeah, like I said earlier, it's a pretty light laptop, but we're gonna have to see if they compromise on the specs with this thing. The model of this laptop is the ASUS ExpertBook P1503CVA. The processor is an Intel Core i5 13th Gen 420H. Nice. It has 8 cores and 12 threads. It boasts 16GB of RAM, 512GB of SSD storage. It has a standard Windows 11 Home, and it comes with free Microsoft Office Lifetime, which I appreciate for a business grade laptop. Honestly, an Intel Core i5 is already good enough for a business grade laptop, but if you want something a little more powerful and a little more modern, we have a variant that's Intel Core 5. The difference is Core 5 is their newer model, and it's also more power efficient. So if you're into that, we have that. Alright, now moving on to the camera and mic test. Honestly, this image is actually quite clear. Actually, it's a little too clear for my liking. It gets all the details. But if I'm gonna compare this camera to, let's say, the other cameras that we've already vlogged, this one is actually on the high end. It's actually a lot better than most of them. This also counts as a sound test, by the way. So what you're hearing now is the audio with no noise canceling. Okay, so this is gonna be the noise canceling test right now. So what the audio you're hearing right now is the audio you're gonna get if the noise canceling is, let's say, turned off, yeah? So let's say you're working from home in an area with this kind of music. I'm not gonna say what, but you're gonna want to be heard by your, let's say, bosses or your coworkers. And let's say, no, I'm working at home. What music? That's the point where you're gonna be turning on the noise canceling. Noise canceling on. So you can just judge for yourself how good the noise canceling is, and if you can tell whether or not I'm working from home. So now that the camera test and the microphone test is out of the way, here comes my favorite part, the sound test. So I'm just gonna be removing my mic and placing it over here. Hold on. Oh, mama! The audio is pretty good. There's no static or anything, and the voice comes through pretty clear, and so did the music. I was actually feeling it a little bit if you saw. Okay, so we're gonna be doing a part here that I am very scared for. I'm gonna be drinking water, and I'm gonna be spilling some on the keyboard. Oh no, my mouth's too far away. Ah! Are you alive? He's alive. So I'm gonna be typing while it's still wet. Let's say I'm working from home at the beach. Let's search for the note. Fox. Oh my gosh. And as you can see, oh my gosh, I'm gonna go get somebody to wipe this down. As you can see, the keyboard still works if you're working from home at the beach. So now that that's out of the way, let me go to my favorite criteria now. Does it do what it's supposed to do? Is it worth it to get a laptop like this? Is it even durable enough to survive working from home? And I will say yes, if you're looking for these kinds of features. If you want something that's enterprise grade in its quality, if the AI noise canceling technology is good enough to your liking, if having a spill resistant keyboard is something that you're attracted to, and if you want a military grade keyboard. That's the only time that I would say the answer would be yes. So for this laptop, we're actually selling it for below SRP here at Laptop Factory. And it's even better because it comes with free Microsoft Office, so you're saving even more because Microsoft Office lifetime costs $5,000. So you're saving even more if you get it here. So I hope this quick video was helpful to you in summarizing the best parts of this ASUS ExpertBook. If it was, you can like and subscribe, comment down below for your thoughts, and hit that bell notification to be notified for our future videos. So to my American audience, have a nice day. To my Filipino audience, mabuhay tayong mga kabayan. I'm gonna go take a nap now.